ければ。
Hey guys, today we're making ice cream straight out of the Apothecary Diaries. This technique of making ice cream has been known for centuries, and honestly, it still works surprisingly well. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First, we'll need some fruits and nuts. I've got apricots, dates, walnuts and peaches. And the combination brings a gentle tartness, a deep caramel-like sweetness, crunch, earthiness, and just pure summer in a bite. However, you can be as flexible as you like. Think about what's in season near you. Melons for a refreshing bite, cherries for richness, or even something tropical like mango or pineapple. However, it is important that when you prepare the fruits or nuts, you have to dice them into these small pieces. And next, I combine milk and cream with cane sugar. That deep natural color is quite similar to what was used in the anime. And now, here comes the fun science part. I crushed some ice, then added salt to it. The salt lowers the temperature of the ice, which makes it cold enough to freeze cream. And just like that, milk will turn into ice cream. It is key to keep moving. Shake, stir, churn. Your arms become the engine and your rhythm the machine. Slowly, you will see a metamorphosis, where it goes from liquid to solid. Science is lovely, isn't it? Add the fruits and nuts once that happens. After a while, I got exhausted, so I gave in to my 21st century privileges and let my ice cream maker finish the job. It essentially does the same thing that we just did. So, in the end, you'll be left with this thick cream, which I'll let harden further in the freezer. And the result? Well, ice cream. You'll be able to scoop these balls and then top them with some more of your fruit jewels. And that's it, the ice cream from the Apothecary Diaries. The taste? It was refreshing, fruity, and rich. You really get to taste the milk much more than with regular ice cream. Honestly, definitely worth making. So yeah, as always, have a nice day and thank you for watching.